Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into some of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets and must-have kitchen tools that can make cooking easier, faster, and a lot more fun. From clever organizers to time-saving appliances, these finds are designed to upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. If you like anything you see, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out directly on Amazon. Let's get started. Rolling Grill Basket. This is the Rolling Grill Basket, a clever tool that makes outdoor cooking so much easier. Made from food-grade stainless steel, these sturdy cylindrical baskets let you grill vegetables, fish, shrimp, or even small meat cuts without worrying about them falling through the grates. The new opening design makes it simple to load and flip food evenly, saving you from messy tongs or skewers. Because it's reusable and durable, you can take it on camping trips, backyard barbecues, or tailgating events. The best part is how evenly it cooks while keeping food flavorful and juicy. If you're tired of losing food on the grill, this basket is a practical upgrade that adds convenience and flavor to every cookout. Chicken Shredder Tool. This is the Chicken Shredder Pro, a simple yet game-changing gadget for anyone who loves tacos, chicken salads, or dips. Instead of spending extra time with forks or knives, you just twist cooked chicken breast inside the shredder and get perfectly pulled meat in seconds. It has a widened anti-slip mat at the bottom, so it stays steady on the counter while you work. The visible design also lets you see the shredding as it happens, which adds convenience. Since it's dishwasher safe, cleanup is quick and easy. It's one of those gadgets you'll use more than you think once it's in your kitchen. 4-cup egg frying pan. This is the egg frying pan, designed to cook 4 perfectly round eggs at once. Made from durable aluminum with a non-stick coating, it ensures easy food release and quick cleaning after use. The included lid helps trap heat for faster cooking, while the spatula gives you everything you need in one set. Beyond eggs, you can also make small pancakes, mini omelets, or even sliders in the separate compartments. This pan saves you time in the morning and keeps portions neat and consistent. It's especially handy for families or anyone who enjoys meal prepping. With its lightweight yet sturdy design, this pan is a reliable tool that transforms breakfast into a quick, fun, and organized experience every day. NuWave Pro Infrared Oven. This is the NuWave Pro Infrared Oven, a powerful countertop appliance that combines convection and infrared cooking. What makes it special is that you don't need to preheat or defrost. Just place your food inside, and it cooks evenly with 360-degree surround heat. With 100 presets and 50 memory slots, it gives you a lot of flexibility for everyday meals. It's great for roasting chicken, baking desserts, reheating leftovers, or even cooking frozen foods straight from the freezer. The tough power dome is built for durability, and adjustable temperatures make it easy to cook to your exact preference. If you want healthier, faster meals without heating up the whole kitchen, this oven is a versatile solution that delivers consistent results every time. Smooth Touch Can Opener. This is the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Can Opener, a kitchen essential that takes away the struggle of opening cans. With just one push of the lever, it opens both standard size and pop-top cans effortlessly. What sets it apart is its ability to eliminate sharp edges, leaving smooth, safe lids that won't cut your hands. Its extra tall design also makes it suitable for larger cans. The black and chrome finish gives it a sleek look, so it fits nicely on your countertop. Whether you cook daily or occasionally, this opener saves time and effort, especially for people with arthritis or limited hand strength. Cordless Rechargeable Electric Knife. This is the Cordless Rechargeable Electric Knife, perfect for anyone who loves cooking or entertaining. It comes with serrated edge blades that slice smoothly through turkey, meat, bread, or even delicate fillets. Since it's cordless, you don't have to worry about staying close to an outlet while carving. The ergonomic handle and safety lock make it both comfortable and secure to use, while the rechargeable battery ensures reliable performance without constant replacements. It also comes with a storage case to keep everything organized. Ideal for holidays, barbecues, or even everyday meal prep, this knife makes slicing effortless and precise. It's one of those gadgets that elevates your kitchen experience and makes serving meals quicker and cleaner. OXO Avocado Slicer. This is the OXO 3-in-1 avocado slicer, designed to make avocado prep quick and safe. It features a built-in blade that cuts through the skin, a pitter that removes the seed with a simple twist, and a slicer that gives you even avocado slices in seconds. The soft, non-slip grip makes it easy to handle, even with wet hands. Whether you're making guacamole, avocado toast, or adding slices to salads, this tool takes away the mess and guesswork. Unlike knives, it's safer and more efficient for the job, making it a must-have for avocado lovers. Compact and easy to clean, it's a handy gadget that turns a tricky fruit into a simple, enjoyable part of your meals. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This is the Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, a stylish upgrade for your dining table and kitchen. Made from stainless steel, these automatic grinders feature adjustable coarseness so you can season food exactly the way you like. The built-in white LED light makes it easy to see how much seasoning you're adding, even during low-light dinners. They come with a dual charging station, so you'll never be searching for batteries again. Sleek and modern, they're as functional as they are attractive. Whether you're cooking a meal or serving guests, freshly ground spices always taste better. With this set, you'll enjoy convenience, flavor, and elegance all in one. It's the perfect blend of practicality and style for any kitchen.